Hello friends. Welcome to our last video of marketing. Today, we're going to talk about how to advertise wood press oil health conscious individuals, chefs and home cooks, organic food retailers, who prefer natural and nutritious food choices. In shops, set up displays that about the health benefits the wood press oil useful information. Talk about things like natural ingredients and how your oil is healthy. Use bright displays, nicely wrapped free samples, and special deals in stores to get customers' attention. Get your current customers to bring in new customers by offering them discounts on their next purchase. Getting involved in local events and farmer bazaar is a great way to show off your oil. Be part of local events, farmer bazaar and exhibitions. Give your customers details about what's in the oil, how much it costs, and how it's packaged. When more people start liking your oil, think about bigger ways to advertise. If you have the budget, think about using local radio ads, flyers, or big outdoor ads in places where your customers go. Try to get into local newspapers, magazines, and online blogs. Reaching out to local chefs or cooking events can also get more people to see your brand. Work together with local restaurants, hotels, and other companies that make things for families. For example, team up with local hotels to offer your oils on their tables. On online platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube, tell stories that families will like. Share fun videos of how you make the oil, showing what's exciting for families and emphasizing about the quality. Talk about the health benefits of your oil and interesting things about oil seeds. Work with influencers who are well liked by females and families and can genuinely talk about your product. With these ideas, you can really get your wood press oil popular with families in local and regional area. Like, share and subscribe to Vyapar Coach channel. Thanks for watching. All the best.